For 5 minutes.
Mr. Speaker, I rise today to recognize the Honorable Joseph Esquivel for his 39 years of public service to the people of Lakewood, California. Joe began his service to Lakewood as a member of the Lakewood Recreation and Community Services Commission in 1972, and in 1990 he began the first of his 5 terms on the Lakewood City Council. After 21 productive years of service on the council, Joe is retiring from public service to spend more quality time with his family. Joe and his wife Pat have called Lakewood home since 1963, raising 3 wonderful children and in the process becoming proud grandparents and great-grandparents. As an active leader in his community, Joe has had a hand in the founding of many local organizations, such as the Lakewood Youth Hall of Fame. Joe continues to be a member of the Hall of Fame Board of Electors, which is charged with recognizing Lakewood's young high school and collegiate standout athletes. Throughout his time on the City Council as mayor, Joe made it his priority to ensure that Lakewood remains safe, family-friendly, and a thriving community. Joe was instrumental in bringing together the resources needed to make the Lakewood state-of-the-art sheriff's station a reality, and was integral to developing several crime prevention programs that have made our community safer. Over the past 2 decades, Joe has worked tirelessly to make certain Lakewood operates on firm financial footing and never outside of its fiscal means. While the struggling economy has impacted many cities throughout Southern California, Lakewood has managed to maintain funding for all city services and capital improvement projects. In addition, Lakewood has managed to be a leading nation for businesses and new business development. Joe's involvement in public service reaches far beyond the confines of the city's council chamber. Joe is a dedicated member of Lakewood's Rotary Club, having served for many years as the coordinator of the Rotary Club's annual Project Shepherd Holiday Assistance Program for families in need. Under his leadership, Project Shepherd aided hundreds of families each year with the help of volunteers of all ages from Lakewood schools, churches, and youth organizations. He was named Rotarian of the Year in 1995. One of his joys as a Lakewood resident was serving as a volunteer coach of 8- and 9-year-old youngsters in basketball and football at Boulevard Park. He received the Mayor's Award for 11 seasons of volunteer coaching. He has held various leadership positions, including President of the California Contract Cities Association, President of the Greater Los Angeles County Vector Control District, and President of the Private Industry Council of Southeast Los Angeles County. Joe sits on the Lakewood Regional Medical Center and Lakewood Weingart Family YMCA Board of Directors. As a Navy veteran, Joe has been a proud member of the American Legion Post 496 for the past 19 years. From one public servant to another, I praise Mayor Joseph Esquivel for his service and dedication to the city of Lakewood and to the community. Lakewood would not be the community it is today without him. I want to thank him for his years of service and wish him the best of luck as he moves forward in new endeavors. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
The chair recognizes the gentleman from Washington, Mr. McDermott, for 5 minutes. Gentleman is recognized.